मॉडर्न डे गोल सेटिंग इज ब्रोकन। क्या कभी आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने एक गोल बनाया, उस गोल को अचीव भी कर लिया, उसके बाद खुशी हुई, पर वो थोड़ी देर के लिए हुई, बट आफ्टर अ व्हाइल इट ऑल डाइड डाउन। हाय, आई एम अंशुल बजाज एंड इन दिस एपिसोड ऑफ धंधे की बात बजाज के साथ I am gonna share with you a goal setting approach that's gonna completely transform how you look at your life, how you look at your work, how you look at your relationships. So watch this video till the end, share it with the others. जो चीज आपको resonate करे उस चीज पर comment करें and most important subscribe to our channel so that ये वीडियो और लोगों तक पहुंच सके। Let me share with you what happens in modern day goal setting. होता क्या है कि हम एक गोल बनाते हैं, मुझे इतना रेवेन्यू करना है, मुझे ऐसी नौकरी करनी है, मुझे ये सैलरी लेनी है या मुझे इतनी इनकम कमानी है। What happens is we are focused too much on the end कि ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है, बट एंड फिर हम उससे बैक ट्रैक करते हैं कई बार कि अच्छा मेरे को इतनी कमाई करने के लिए ये एक्शंस लेने हैं, ये काम करने हैं। बट होता क्या है, वी आर फोकस्ड ऑन हैव, डू एंड देन वी बी, पर ऐसे सोल काम नहीं करती। दिस इज वेरी सुपरफिशियल एंड इसीलिए इफ यू सी 90% ऑफ योर गोल्स don't get achieved. What is the real framework? What is the truth, my friend? I am sharing this 3MIQ approach from Vishen Lakhiani, who's the founder of Mind Valley, and he shares something कि goals जो है they should not be focused only on the end. We have to first change our be. We have to first change our how we feel, how we approach our goal. Why is that? क्योंकि beyond our body, our souls. And soul is really concerned with how we are feeling. What is the energy we are transmitting? What is the 3MIQ approach? 3MIQ approach says 3 most important questions. You have to ask yourself 3 most important questions. Number 1, what experiences I want to have? क्या ऐसे experiences हैं जो मैं हासिल करना चाहता हूं, जो मैं जीना चाहता हूं, मैं live करना चाहता हूं? Number 2, what are my growth goals? To have those experiences, how do I want to grow as a human being, as a soul? And number 3, once I have those experiences, once I have those growth, how do I want to contribute? How do I want to contribute to this world? See, Tony Robbins, if you've heard of Tony Robbins, he says 2 important things. Number 1, 2 needs of the soul are growth and contribution. हमारी जो soul है, हमारी जो आत्मशक्ति है, वो 2 चीजों से सबसे ज्यादा बढ़ेगी। Number 1, growth. आप as a human कैसे grow कर रहे हो? इसीलिए if you'll see people doing courses, people investing on themselves to be a better version of themselves. You know, Jim Rohn says this beautifully. अगर आपको बड़ा बनना है, अगर आपको ज्यादा कमाई करनी है, तो you have to grow as a human being. So, number 2 thing Tony Robbins says is that success without fulfillment is the ultimate failure. I'll repeat myself. Success without fulfillment is the ultimate failure. होता क्या है, हमने गोल बनाया, आपने गोल अचीव भी कर लिया, but because it was not the goal of your soul, that fulfillment doesn't come. And that is why you see people, you know, getting separated even after a love marriage. That is why you see people screwing things up even after being so successful. And with this video, I want to invite you to change this. I'm going to give you an action step you want to do immediately right now after watching this video. But before that, अगर अभी तक आपको मेरी बात resonate हो रही है, just type in the comment box so that I know that it is making a connection with you. Now, what do you have to do? Sit down with the pen and paper and ask yourself, what experiences I want to have? Do I want to do a skydiving? Do I want to do a scuba diving? Do I want to take my parents to a spiritual pilgrimage? What are the experiences? Now, हो सकता है इस एक्सपीरियंस के लिए आपके पास आज पैसे नहीं है, हो सकता है आज आपके पास रिसोर्सेज नहीं है, बट आज लिखना तो शुरू करें। Half of the battle is won when you start writing it down. So write down what experiences you want to have. Do you want to plan a trip with your friends? Do you want to what trips you want to do with your spouse or with your girlfriend? Let's start jotting that down. Make a long list. See, I'm going to tell you, people overestimate what they can achieve in 1 year, but they underestimate what they can achieve in a decade. क्या मतलब है इस बात का? हो सकता है आज आप अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस लिखो और वो एक साल में पूरे नहीं हुए, बट आई वांट टू गारंटी यू समथिंग, इफ यू आर ऑन इट, इफ यू आर कीप फोकसिंग ऑन इट, दोज एक्सपीरियंसेस विल गेट फुलफिल्ड इन अ पीरियड ऑफ अ डेकेड, इन 10 years. So number one thing, what experiences I want to have. Number two, how do I want to grow as an individual? And this is very important क्योंकि ये चीज ना हमें inherently समझ नहीं आती. होता क्या है, हम स्कूल कर लेते हैं, कॉलेज कर लेते हैं, and for 95% people that is the full stop of their growth, of their, but I want to tell you that this is where the actual learning, the actual growth starts. Do you want to work on your body? How do you want to work on your health? How do you want to grow your body, your health? Do you want to work on your mindset? And write down all of things. And it does not have to be very big things. Could be a small thing. I want to learn this language. I want to learn AI. What are those things for you? Write them down. Number 3 thing, how do I want to contribute? See, एक चीज मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि जो contribution का बीज है ना, ये हमारे अंदर डला हुआ है. For some of you, you would have realized it by now. For others, it still is dormant inside you. See, हमारे अंदर ये चीज थी, so we started Jugal Bajaj Foundation on our father's name because we wanted to contribute to a society, and because of the foundation, we do programs, we do programs for children because we want to contribute there. We do programs for girl education, and that, my friend, is there. Trust me, जो चीज आपको जितनी खुशी आपको उस कंट्रीब्यूशन से मिलेगी वो आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगी. एंड दैट इज द रियल गोल ऑफ द सोल. Goal of the soul. What do I want to share with you? A small story. So there was this guy I was coaching, and he had this goal of achieving an X turnover in his business. When I started working with him, I noted down, I jot down his 3 MIQs, his 3 most important questions. Number 1, he said, what does he want to experience? He want to build a brand that changes how India is. How does he want to grow? He said, I want to be a team player. I want to learn leadership. He actually joined a leadership program in a degree college where he learned leadership. And how do I want to contribute? He created a CSR, and today that CSR is doing great work, my friend. Trust me, your entire life, your focus can shift just by following the 3 MIQ framework. Start with being. Be से start करो, have तक अपने आप आ जाएगा. But if you start with have, तो वो be तक कभी नहीं जाएगा. Let me know what you think, your thoughts, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.